Isang mapagpalang umaga, puspusin nawa tayo ng banal na Espiritu ng ating dakilang Diyos. Ang saganang grasya at mga pagpapalang mula sa Kanya ay pumasok nawa sa mga bawat bintana at pintuan ng ating tahanan, sa ating pamilya, sa ating buhay, at sa ating mga puso. Gentle reminder, we must not just be receiver of God's goodness. We must be reflectors of His presence. The fruit of the Holy Spirit must be seen in us. Wherever we are, whatever we do it for God's glory. By the power of God that is within us, we can be better and we can do better. Not just for ourselves, but for everyone. Serve with humility, reflects God's glory. Have a blessed and a wonderful day. God bless you.